Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will help you that how to reset or reboot your phone without a power button. If your phone's power button is not working and you want to turn off or reboot your phone, then follow my steps to do this. First of all, open your settings. In your phone there will be option of additional settings, and the second option is accessibility. But in my phone the accessibility option is there. Click on accessibility. Now you have to click on dexterity and interaction. From here you have to enable touch assistant. After enabling this, go back. Here is the touch assistant. Click on this. Here is all option: volume up, volume down, power off, and many more. If you want to power off or reboot your phone, press and hold power. See, here is the option of restart, power off your phone. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, share with your friends.